Hi, we're going to pick up a GMC in the mud.
Hey guys, we're out here in Dell looking for a GMC that got stuck in the mud. We're here with the cruiser guy. We found some mud. Little bit.
I think Ben's been trying to build a roll cage for his big thing.
Maybe this is that guy's tracks.
Yeah, maybe we should.
Starting to get squirrely. Should we air down?
That's what James was just thinking.
It looks like it's half an inch of nasty.
Time to air down. Maybe those are the tracks from the GMC. Gotta get rubber boots because it's muddy.
It's gonna get muddier.
You want to see if it's salt? Get some and lick your finger. Put your finger on the ground and then lick it. See if it's salty.
It shocked me. No, wait, it didn't get it.
Okay, now lick it. See if it's salty.
A little bit. Not very much though.
Maylee, go help Grandma air down. No, go help Grandma. She knows how. Just do it for her so she's deaf. It's cold. We are all aired down and ready to go find some mud. How did the mud taste, Maylee?
A little bit salty.
We are out in part of the salt flats. We have a pin drop that we're going off of trying to find this truck. We're not really on roads. Looks like we're facing pretty much at it. Now we're facing next to it. So it's like somewhere right there. Here's the pin drop. We're getting closer. The sun is now setting, going behind the little mountains. To it. Our dot is almost touching. See? Looks like he came from this direction. You can see some tracks. It's a little muddier this way.
That's a Chevy.
You don't have a D-ring we can throw on his hitch, do you?
I do.
Okay.
I have it in front of mine.
I'll pull his out. If
You want to pull it, or you want to winch it, or you want to use a rope? Caleb thought a rope was a 8-foot slack. Should pull him out.
As thick as this stuff is, and he looks like he's got street tires on that thing.
Well, yeah, but all we got to do is pop him out.
He now has mud tires.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's down to the axle. I think.
Yeah,
I don't know.
He's sitting on the spare tire right there.
Yeah.
Do you know
I
why
don't
he has a strap around the wheel on this side?
For traction, trying to, like chains. He was trying to get out.
Because they do make something you put around your tire like that. It's got little studs, but That would only make that one wheel digging more.
Only on one.
And if it's just a plain strap, I don't.
Good try.
So we just want to try bumping it to begin with?
I think so. If that doesn't work, I'll anchor to you and we'll winch him. This stuff got nasty real quick. Driving through there, it was squirrely and.
Over there, but it looks like over here was muddier up there.
Yeah, you don't think that
Yeah,
just
he's sunk.
winching him is going to be better backwards? Winching him backwards out?
No, probably pulling him out would be best, using the kinetic energy to get him out of the hole. We might have to winch if that doesn't work.
He's axles.
Well, just for now. He moves a couple inches, he'll be coming up in the world.
Well, that's true. It is a little truck with little tiny tires.
Yeah,
It's a full-size Chevy.
I think it is that same guy.
Here comes the keys.
Came back on his dirt You're just digging in.
Yeah. We're not pulling him out. Alright, we're not pulling him out, Phil. I just went back up and I just think.
You get back up to loosen the rope.
We might just have to winch it.
So I will come around here. I need to pull you. Listen, well, you can't take the rope off.
There's more
I can
options.
put my rope with a soft shackle on you.
Oh, are you gonna walk it like a tightrope?
And just move you back enough to hook that. We'll turn around and winch him up. Unless I just hook onto the front of you.
Right now it's not that bad because I'm not buried,
Yeah, you could probably tug him out, but I don't think you'll pop that one out.
but I think both of us together. Oh, this is that shorter one, that's why.
And footer.
Because you're going to have to hit full speed at that.
Well, you can't get up much speed.
Well, I know.
Stuff.
Full speed for here. For being in the mud.
And I still don't know if you're going to be able to do it.
Yeah, I think you might have to bump me back so it can unhook.
So you can try to go around the back.
I'd hate to get that one stuck too.
Well, all I got to do is move you back a little bit.
Well, no, that's what I'm saying. I'd hate to
And then we'll winch.
try you go forward and then you get stuck too. And then Wanda would have to get back here.
Okay, I'll spin around and pull you back far enough to loosen the rope. Then we'll turn around and winch
Use
him out.
both of us.
Can you not go backwards?
No. I started going backwards and it just started
Yeah, you
sinking.
can. Absolutely.
You're on the, yeah, stop there, you're gonna be on the rope.
Now, James, if you took off from there, you might move that out, but no, that's not enough. You'd have to
No,
go back
I think
further.
I need more.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be the same thing. He's as far down.
Just
Get
winch
2
it.
inches on it.
That's going to be easier.
The moment of truth, we've got 2 winches hooked up. like we're using the Montero to anchor down one of the cruisers because they're just kind of digging in.
Yeah, mine was. But I wasn't doing a whole lot. All the pressure. She's got you deadheaded enough. I might put pressure in.
Yeah, see if it comes back on its own. Come on back. Stop just before you squish me. That's good.
That is steep.